So in the last video, we came to know about the dashboard, the backend part of your WordPress dashboard. And instantly we launched our website, we launched the WordPress software as well. Now if we'll go and see the front side of our website. So yes, this is the front side of the website and this is the demo website, right? And this is the particular theme. By default it has been taken by WordPress. So we'll be working on this one. So just in this video today, just we are going to know about the themes, the different kinds of themes, and how can you make it activate in your website, and accordingly how can you update over there, right? So here for changing the theme, just to come to your dashboard, and here if you, this is the appearance option, right? So here the appearance option, just here you can see the theme, customize, widgets, menus, background, theme editor. So all these are the options. So from here you can select the theme according to your choice, according to your requirement. Meanwhile, just you can also customize the theme by changing background color, by adding logos, by changing the font text size, widgets. That means it's a kind of additional option that if you can add if you want to add it. So normally these things appear in the sidebar. If you'll see, this is the website. So here just you can see like archives, categories, meta, all these things are coming. So normally it appears in the sidebar. So normally it may come on the right side or at the left side. So here again, menus, that means we can create menus, that means which web page we want to show at the header or the footer part. You can also change the background color. So all these things just you can manage from here. For seeing the theme, just you have to click on theme. So you will be able to the activate theme over here. So here four themes, just you can see by default it has been installed at your backend part, but right now this 2020 theme is activated. Okay, and if you want to change the theme, right, so definitely this is the theme, right? So if you want to change the theme, so definitely you can change it by activating any one of the theme over here. And this theme normally it decides the layout of your website. Different theme have different layout and different settings. So for that, just you will be coming over here and just you click on activate button. Okay. So after activating, just you can see the changes. So this theme has come at the first part. Okay. Now just to come to the front side and simply just to refresh this page. So yes, we can see the theme has been changed now. So the image is coming over here and see the appearance of the and the layout over here. It is totally changed, and here we can see the search box, recent posts, recent comments. So all this is coming under sidebar, and this single part is called the wizards as well. So just we'll try to change another theme as well and how it will look like. So just suppose we will be clicking on this entire active and we'll be clicking on activate. So once again, if we'll come over here and we will refresh this page now. So yes, now you can see the complete changes, right? So by default, this page is coming home sample page, and by default, this post is coming. And at the below, just you can see the footer part. So automatically it changes. So it depends on the theme and layout. And if you are searching for more theme, so here just you come and click on add new theme. So here you will be able to see multiple themes over here. So according to you, just you can select the theme as well. This all will appear in the theme library. Okay. And here, if you want to search anything, so simply in the search bar, just you can search the theme. So like that way, just you can search, you can activate the theme for your website.